Hello friends, here we are having one question of rectangular section beam. Here it is given that at a rectangular cross section the vertical shear force is V, and it is to be find out that what is the shear force acting on 1/3 part of the cross section of the beam. So if we draw the cross section of the beam, it is like this. It is the section of the beam. Suppose its depth is D. For example, its depth is D and its width is B. It is the center, geometrical center, which is also the centroid of the rectangular section. It is the neutral axis. If we are talking about the moment of inertia over neutral axis, it is BD cube by 12. Now it is, if we are drawing a line parallel to the neutral axis or at any distance y from the neutral axis, if we draw a three-dimensional geometry for this section, it is neutral axis, this is the section of beam, span of beam, this is the at a distance y the section. Here are the shear forces acting in a transverse direction. This is the tau. So we know that tau equals to V into Q by V into INA. Here Q is the moment of area of section above by about neutral axis. So we can write Q as a, if we elaborate some more about Q, then Q can be written as, for this given section, it is B, this is distance by, so this becomes D by 2 minus by, its centroid will lie at a distance from here, which will equals to, we will be talking about this by bar equals to D by 2 minus, this is whole D by 2 minus, this is D by 2 minus by 2. Half of this we can subtract it from D by 2, we will getting the location of centroid of this section. So we can also write, or we can also simplify first y bar equals to this, we can write it as D by 2 minus D by 4 plus by 2, or we can write it as D by 4, this is plus by 2, or it can be written as D plus 2 by 4. Now area of this section, the area of this section equals to B into the depth D by 2 into minus y, B into D minus 2 by divided by 2. So we can write Q as Q equals to area B into D minus 2 by divided by 2 into moment, location of centroid, plus 2 by divided by 4. This will equals to B by 8 into D square minus 4y square. Now what is the value of Q? This is the value of Q. Now what is the value of I? I is, we know already, BDQ by 2. So we can write in this equation, this is BQ upon BI, we can write it as V into B by 8 into D square minus 4y square divided by B into b d cube by 12, or it can be written as 4 2 times 3 times 3b, this b is cancel out, 3b d square minus 4y square divided by 2b into d cube. Now force, we know it is equals to tau into area, so we can write area as a tau into b into dy for small area. For small area, here we can write it as b into, we can write it as b into small thickness dy, so we can write it as b into dy for small area. Now by writing this will equals to tau 3b by 2 bd cube into d square minus 4y square into b dy. If we integrate this, we will find out the whole area. The limit of integration will be from this location to this location. This is dy 3, this distance. Suppose this is also dy 3, this is dy 3, so this will become dy 6 and it is becomes dy 2. So the limit of integration is from dy 6 to dy 2. So we can integrate it as like 3b upon 2b d cube. It becomes d square y minus this b is cancel out, so this 2 d cube d square y minus 4y cube by 3 by taking limit from dy 6 to dy 2. Now by integrating we will get 3b upon 2 d cube, this equals to d square into dy 2 by putting limit minus 4 d cube by 8 into 3 minus d square into dy 6 plus 4 by 3 into d cube by 6 cube. This is 3b upon 2 d cube. If we simplify this, we will get 28 d cube divided by 162. So we can write it as 2, this becomes 14, this again becomes 7, this is 81, this becomes 27, so and d cube is cancel out each other, so this becomes 7b upon 27. So if we look into the options, we will find that the correct option is B, 7b divided by 27. Okay, thank you.